Hey guys, Josh Zabar here and welcome to this page. On this page, I can guarantee that you're going to see something that you've never seen before. What I will show you on this page will allow you to get more rankings, traffic, and sales faster and easier without doing any of the work yourself. Yup, you heard that correctly. You're going to see how you can get free targeted traffic to any offer or service by letting our proven army of over 5,000 members and growing do all your social syndication for you so you can rank on page 1 in 48 hours or less. And you're going to see how you can do that for any niche, for any location, and it does not matter if you've tried other ranking tools and failed. Because on this page, we've simplified the entire process of getting free traffic from Google and YouTube by making it 100% done for you in a unique way that you've not seen before. We've also ensured that this is the best way to get rankings fast and for the long term without worrying about being penalized. This is 100% white hat. We've also built our platform so it's not a software you have to download or spend weeks learning how to use. The only thing you have to do is create your campaign and input your URL and keywords. Literally, that's it. And finally, you're going to see how you can get access to the most powerful done-for-you rankings platform that you've ever seen at an insane discount for the next few days. Not to mention the amazing limited time bonuses, the awesome case study, and the real customer testimonials you'll be able to see on this page as well. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then you're on the right page. My promise to you on this page is to show you how you can get fast page 1 rankings that stick for the long term by having our army of over 5,000 members do your social syndication for you. Yup, I'm talking about thousands of real members located all over the world sharing your content on their social platforms without you doing any of the work besides submitting the URL you want to get traffic for. And I know what you might be thinking, so let's clear this up right now. These are not robots that are sharing your content. They're not people we pay to share your content. This is a group of thousands of real people. I'm talking fellow marketers who have joined together under one central dashboard to mutually share each other's content for the benefit of everyone getting more rankings, traffic, and sales through the power of what we like to call social SEO or buddy SEO. And at the same time, I promise that I will not waste any of your time. I'm not going to bore you with some long, useless sales letter story. We're all busy, right? And I want to respect your time, which is why we built a done-for-you buddy system in the first place. So let's just jump right into it, deal? If you'd like to know exactly how to start exploiting Google to get as much traffic, leads, and sales as you'd like, then you'll want to pay very close attention to this page. Because on this page, you're going to learn about a powerful and unique strategy unlike anything you've ever seen before. I'm talking about being able to get rankings, traffic, and sales like this, and this, and this, and this, and letting the Syndbuddy army do it all for you. But don't just take our word for it. Below this video, you'll also be able to hear what our members have to say about Syndbuddy as well. And yes, we have a ton of real testimonials you'll be able to see. Plus, if you're on this page, that means that you're here during our special 2.0 grand opening. Yup, since our initial opening roughly 2 years ago, we've been hard at work to ensure that we made our platform better, faster, and more powerful to deliver you even more results. I'm talking about amazing new features like our new auto share feature to ensure everyone gets real shares right away. Our automated content generator so you can submit any URL in under 60 seconds to be shared by other members. And even our Synd creator so you can automatically create new accounts so that you can start sharing other members' content as well if you choose to do so, and much, much more. Plus, we've put together a very special limited time discount offer during this 2.0 grand opening with some extremely valuable bonuses that you will not be able to get outside of this 2.0 grand opening. So stay tuned because we have a whole section below where we talk about all the new features that we've implemented to continue to make Syndbuddy the best platform on the market for getting you page 1 rankings on a silver platter by having our members do all your social syndication for you. But before we get into into that, I have a very quick lesson to share with you. If there's one thing that I've learned in my years of marketing online, which is closing in on 7 years full time, it's that websites and videos without traffic mean nothing. And websites and videos without quality social syndication get nowhere when it comes to getting free targeted traffic from Google and YouTube. You can have the most beautiful website and all the internet, and you can have the most beautiful and perfectly animated videos with the perfect sales message and amazing graphics. However, if these web properties aren't being seen by people that are going to pull out their credit cards and buy something, they're absolutely useless, right? And no fancy page builder, video editor, or video creation software can change that. So we worked overtime to develop, perfect, and deliver the key thing that was missing from 99% of people's websites and video marketing. We developed the easiest platform for getting traffic and generating profit without doing any of the boring grunt work yourself. That's what our platform is beautifully built to do. It allows you to tap into a pre-built army of real people that are ready to share your content all over the internet. So you can get rankings fast and for the long term, which leads to more targeted traffic, leads, and sales from Google and YouTube. And I don't care what anyone says, getting free traffic from Google and YouTube is the best kind of traffic you can ever get, ever. No other traffic source comes anywhere close to being as good and as high converting as free search engine traffic. And you want to know the best part? We've simplified the entire process for you to get targeted traffic to any content you like into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to log into our web-based portal. Step 2 is to submit any URL you like to the sharing pool so members can start syndicating your content for you. And finally, step 3 is to hit start and watch your rankings, traffic, and profits skyrocket by leveraging the power of our buddy system. Yup, that's it. From there, our army of over 5,000 members will get to work for you and build you hundreds of social links to any URL you like, 100% hands-free. There's no software to install, no software training to learn, no social account creation needed, no content needed on your part, no proxies or captchas needed. Nothing is needed but the URL you want traffic for. But Josh, why should I even care about having other people share my content? This is definitely a genuine concern. If you're brand new to ranking niche sites and videos on page 1 of Google and YouTube, you probably have no idea why you should even care about using social syndication to get rankings, let alone having other people do your social syndication for you, which we can also call community SEO, buddy sharing system, or social exchange SEO. Well, in case you're not aware, social syndication is pretty much the new SEO. Social syndication is the best, most powerful, and most natural way that all marketers use to get rankings, traffic, and sales from Google and YouTube. This is a fact. Having a high quality and proven social syndication system in your arsenal is the secret to getting fast and long-term rankings, traffic, and sales. I don't care what anyone says. You can do all the keyword research you want. You can create the most eye-catching videos you want. You can have the most beautiful website on the planet. You can optimize your content to the max. However, if you don't have a strong syndication system, you will never be able to truly get traffic, sales, and leads from the search engines, let alone be able to compete with the big boys, especially if you want to rank fast and for the long term. You cannot rank long term without a strong syndication system in your corner. This has been proven over and over and over again throughout the years. And when it comes to social syndication, you can break it up into 2 layers: sharing your content yourself on your own social platforms, and having other people share your content on their platforms. Layer 1 is the simplest one that anyone can do either manually or with software. The first layer of social syndication is extremely powerful and is one of the most popular go-to strategies for people looking to get first page rankings. However, community SEO or buddy SEO, where a group of people have joined together and agreed to share each other's content, is where the real power comes in. Getting other people to share your content all over social sites is a massive advantage above all other forms of syndication. It is the booster, the supercharger, the NOS, or whatever you want to call it. In short, it's pretty much exactly what Google wants: natural social sharing of content by real people on real, unique accounts. Several years ago, a ton of marketers realized the power of community SEO or buddy sharing system that they created private Facebook groups and private Skype groups for the purpose of members manually sharing each other's content. And this worked well for a short period of time. But since it was all a manual process with no checks and balances, the momentum just died off over time and it was not a sustainable model. That's why we decided to automate the entire process into an easy-to-use web app that guarantees you get real shares from real members, so you can claim as much page one rankings as you'd like. Allow me to introduce you to Syndbuddy 2.0. When you access Syndbuddy, you're going to be able to have our members deliver you as much traffic, sales, and profit as you'd like on a silver platter. Syndbuddy is our proven, done-for-you social exchange system that allows you to dominate Google and YouTube without doing any of the work yourself. With Syndbuddy, you can submit any URL. It can be a video, a niche site, an Amazon page, a client site, a client Google local listing URL, an e-commerce store, anything. It's 100% done for you, so zero work is required on your part once you submit the URL you want traffic for. Our army will get to work for you immediately. You can supply the content if you like that will go along with your campaigns into the sharing pool, and this is 100% optional. You can also let our system generate the content for your campaigns for you in a matter of a few mouse clicks, so you can create new campaigns in 60 seconds or less. And you'll have full access to your syndication report once it's completed, and much more. Plus, we've taken things up a notch in version 2.0 that we're releasing today. As I mentioned at the beginning of this page, you are here during our 2.0 grand opening, which means better features, a better platform, and better results for our users. We've automated our sharing system, added more authority, added video embedding, improved our syndication system, added our new done-for-you content system, and much more. We've pretty much turned Syndbuddy into an unstoppable machine to shoot your content to the first page of Google and YouTube. And remember, we've put together a very special limited time discount offer during this 2.0 grand opening with some extremely valuable bonuses that you will not be able to get outside of this 2.0 grand opening. In version 2.0, we've made Syndbuddy better, faster, and more powerful to deliver you even more rankings, traffic, and sales. But how have we made it better? First off, we've added one-click auto sharing. Yup, we have now thrown an ocean-sized amount of gas on this already well-lit firehouse. This gas that we've poured on this fire is the ability for all users to turn on auto sharing of each other's content. One thing that we noticed was a certain percentage of people tended to drop off over time and stop sharing content because it was a manual process. They had to actually log in and share other people's content. With this update, we have solved that problem. Can you imagine how much more powerful this is now that thousands of members have auto sharing turned on? Imagine being able to get real social shares and social signals to your YouTube videos, niche sites, client sites, e-commerce sites, or any URL you'd like. It's the perfect buddy system, but it gets better. We also added one-click account creation. We're also going to be bundling this with our very popular Synd Creator so that you can have your social accounts automatically created and plugged into Syndbuddy. This is going to make things even easier, faster, and better. Within minutes, you'll be able to start having your accounts created so that you can turn on auto sharing as well. And we still have more. One-click content creation. Yup, we're also going to be including our content engine system into Syndbuddy so that submitting a campaign to be shared by members is even easier. Zero content creation needed on your part. And finally, we also have weekly email updates of your syndications so you see exactly how hard the Syndbuddy army is working for you. Talk about awesome, right? Within minutes of getting access, our army will get you real social bookmarks, real Web 2.0 syndication, real video embeds, real Twitter tweets, real Facebook likes and shares, real video views, all from real members located all over the world doing all that social sharing to your content from their profiles. Plus, you also get step-by-step training and world-class customer support to ensure that you always have someone in your corner should you ever need any additional help. This is literally the easiest system for getting page 1 rankings via the power of social syndication without having to do any of the work yourself. Plus, for a very limited time, we're also going to be including our agency license with your purchase today. This means you'll be able to use Syndbuddy for your client campaigns as well and keep 100% of the profit. You'll never have to do any social syndication yourself ever again. Leveraging the power of our Syndbuddy army to do your social syndication for you and for your clients will never be the same after today. But Josh, how much is Syndbuddy and how does it work? That's probably what you're wondering at this point, right? Well, in a nutshell, Syndbuddy works on a credit-based system. That means our members either purchase credits and start adding content right away, or they choose to earn credits by watching, sharing, bookmarking, and liking other people's content. Your credits are what allow you to get your own views, shares, bookmarks, and likes from fellow members, which are real people just like you and me that understand the power of community SEO. It's truly built on the buddy system. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. And with our new auto share feature, every member is guaranteed to get real shares from other members. This is bar none the best way to drive free targeted traffic from Google and YouTube. There are no shady backlinking techniques or any other black hat strategies that either fail miserably or get your video or websites stripped off of YouTube or Google. This is a system based on real people syndicating and socially interacting with each other's content, which is 100% natural and the reason that Google eats it up. And because of how powerful and how proven our system is, you've probably guessed that Syndbuddy is going to be a very hefty fee on a monthly basis, since you literally have to do zero work but submit the keywords and URL you want traffic for. We'll easily be charging between $97 and $297 per month, depending on the level of package that you need. However, it is our 2.0 grand opening, which means you get first dibs on what will be the most powerful and the go-to platform for getting high quality and real syndication from real people all over the world. And to celebrate, we're kicking things off with a very special 2.0 blowout sale that you can see below. So if you'd like to get more targeted buyer traffic without doing any of the work yourself, Syndbuddy is your solution. Even if you've never made money online, the Syndbuddy army will allow anyone, regardless of experience, to break down the doors to profitable niche marketing. You'll literally be able to get access to Syndbuddy today and have your first campaign created within 60 seconds. You can be on your way to unlimited page 1 rankings and traffic by lunchtime tomorrow. There's no mystery, no hidden secret that we've left out. Just a simple and powerful automation system that we built inside of Syndbuddy that's proven to deliver results. And our sharing army is waiting to go to work for you and start bringing you the income and traffic you deserve. So the only question left to ask is, are you ready to get your hands on Syndbuddy just like a kid on Christmas? Of course you are. However, before you do so, make sure you go below this video, you check out all the features that you'll be getting access to with Syndbuddy, you read through some of our amazing testimonials, you check out the case study demo video, take a look at the limited time bonuses, and when you're done with all of that, choose the package that's right for you. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the members area.